Right, if you ever get a sash lock where the door needs this tongue the other way round, so this would be fine for doors coming in and shutting against the door jamb like that, but if your door's the other way round, it's an easy way to reverse these round. It works on most sash locks. So take the plate off, a couple of screws normally, right. I normally press that in a little, but keeping the pressure upwards, because sometimes they fly out like that, just a little tiny bit. So when you pull this case off, the top of the case doesn't all fly out. It might not, but it may. Right, so first thing, remove the spindle catch along those pliers. They don't always have a spring like that. Obviously it's just forcing it out. So you can take that off. And I always pick the fiddliest lock to change. So remove that. Remember where it went. Good to take a photo before. Right, then you get that off. Now some of them don't have this, where you can just do that. Some of them, this whole thing has to be turned round. And it's a little more fiddly because you've got to get that spring underneath. So this is great, this one. Just turn it around like that. Put it back in. This is an Era 573, by the way. So make sure that spring's pressing against there. Pliers again are easier. It's down into there. Again, press that in a little bit. Pop that in. Put your plate back on. Put your two screws in and give it a little test just before. Normally go either way, up or down, most of them. So that's fine. And that's it, reversed. So now work on doors going the other way. Thanks.